Imam Zain-ul-Abidin alayhi salam in Sahifa Sajjadiya teaches us a profound lesson about gratitude. He says,
Allahumma inna ahadan la yablughu min shukrika ghayata. O Allah, no one reaches the limit of thanking you.
Imam Sajjad alayhi salam reminds us that no matter how much we thank Allah, His blessings are so vast that true gratitude can never be complete. Every breath we take, the food we eat, the laughter we share, all are gifts. Think about it. Your health, opportunities, friends, even technology that makes life easier. These are all blessings. Gratitude is not just saying thank you in words, but using these blessings wisely, helping others, and living with purpose. Imam Sajjad alayhi salam teaches us that true gratitude transforms our lives. It's recognizing what we have, sharing it, and constantly appreciating the source of all goodness. So today, take a moment to reflect. How can you show gratitude for your blessings? Because, as Imam Sajjad reminds us, no one can ever fully thank Allah, but we can strive to live in His appreciation.